Hello. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Spirit Trade. It is Friday. Happy Friday, November the 15th. Yesterday was a very nice day. We had a little pop up, grabbed some easy cash there. It was a really nice little move. Had a bit of a move up in the overnight. We've got, let's see. RTY is pushing higher. So yeah, what we would be looking for with RTY, there's not an instant setup, but we would be needing like a pullback as this is starting to it looks like it based and it's starting to push up. So we're looking for that continued drive to the upside. And Q also pushing higher into new territory. So we see it pushing up and it's pulled back, which is interesting. So we would look for a continued push up here. So we would be looking at probably this dude, something like that. Continued push up. ES, let's see, ES is in new territory as well. So it looks like it's pushed up and topped out. Let's see. It looks like we would need a pullback on ES for it to push any higher. And NQ is in a pullback. So I feel like NQ is in the best shape for that. I feel like even you could just do something like this. So yeah, RTY, it's pushing higher, so we would need a pullback. And I think if it breaks through, let's see, probably this guy. If it breaks through here, pulls back, and starts to the downside, then I would look for potentially a move down. ES is pushed up and kind of gotten flat up here, but that doesn't mean it pulled back though, bottomed out here, right? We see that kind of inverted head and shoulders. Oh, there it goes. It popped forward. I bet that happened for NQ as well. Yeah. Yeah, that would have been a good entry right there. I bet Russell popped up. Russell's actually pulling back. There's definitely a lot of potential upward momentum for today. This thing could definitely be driving higher today. So definitely looking at Russell as if this does a nice pullback, I'd actually be most interested in Russell. And let's see. Because I need something else here. An NQ. Yes, yeah, we definitely would need that pullback. Yeah, if the next few minutes give us a nice little pullback here, this could actually turn into a good setup. Definitely. So I'm definitely eyeballing Russell. Yeah, everything else is pushing higher. Okay. Yeah, ES is just climbing hard. NQ, yeah, is also climbing pretty hard. So we would need pullbacks there. And Russell's still kind of giving that pullback. I see it as pulling back and then could push higher. Is what I see. Yeah, definitely. Here's the pullbacks. All right, I'm going to put one on Russell. Stop back there.
Stop filled.
Put one on not really getting enough of a pullback. This feels a bit topped out, right? I think it's going to pull back more. And yeah, this looks like it needs a pullback. This feels a bit topped out too. All right, we're getting a push. I don't know where the hell my position went. The chart just like, what the fuck's going on? Maybe around 1602-ish. Or 1606 or 1602. Ten seconds. Yeah, we got a big pop.
Order filled.
Yeah, I started to feel like, whoa, crazy. I feel like, okay. Maybe I bounced out a little too soon on that one. Yeah, okay, so I bounced out too soon on Russell. Let's see. I like NQ, but it's just so, there's so much risk in the trades. Okay, there it goes. Yeah, falling back. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, I was gonna say if it, okay, it's fishing lower. Pushing pretty hard down. Strong movements down. Strong movements down. Strong movements down. Aja here. Aja, you want it? Okay. All right, so let's see. Well, Russell definitely pushed down a bit. Oh. So it's just down quite a bit. Yeah. Aja seems to do the same routine every morning now. When I get up, she likes to go outside, and then she likes to come in at some point while I'm trading, jump into my lap, and get some cuddles in. All right. And then she pieces out. So let's see. I've had a really powerful week this week. I didn't do as much trading. Yeah, I missed out. I didn't really trade for like 3 days, but I traded yesterday and did well, right? And then Friday did pretty well today. Well, not pretty well, but showed up and got a little bit of a trade in. Yeah, I guess the setups this morning weren't too hot because it had been moving up pretty strong. And when it's moving up that strong, it's, the best. I think the best setups are when it's bottomed out or topped out and it's ready to just take off in a new direction. So you're getting in at the beginning move rather than here. It's like, if we look at this overnight, it would have been phenomenal, let's say, to get in here. Like, let's say this was the open. This would be a phenomenal place to get in because it had come up, topped off here, come down, and it showed this bottoming and weakened downside move, and then that would set you up for a nice move up. But even though this is not quite the best setup still, but or maybe getting in like it's topped off here and not going any higher, and so this is a nice kind of spot, like if you got in here, something for a short side move, something like that. Those are usually the great, awesome setup times. But after it's kind of made its move and it's working on its way, if it doesn't give you like a really nice, sweet little pullback setting up into that, then like here it's kind of been a little bit extended. We didn't get much of a pullback. So it wasn't too hot of a move, and that's why I was a little bit like, pulled it off kind of early. If I see something like this, I just want like pure, just solid movement up. And we got some, but it was back and forth and shaky. So I'm like, nope, not about that. So yeah, I started seeing these markets coming down too. And Russell was hanging in there, but I'm like, if these guys are tanking and this guy's just hanging in there, let's just take it off. So now that we've had this big push down, I'm kind of like, that's enough for me to kind of see that there could be a push to the downside. But now I'm wondering, I'm like, is there a way that this could not sure. Because there's been a lot of strength to this upside. Okay, so it's topped off here. We could see a move down. We could totally see a move down. Yeah, this could be pulling back and pushing down. I'm not sure if I'm in the... I think because I've seen so much strength to the upside here, I'd almost rather just wait for it to bottom out and see if we can get another push up, rather than like, I don't know. This thing. All right, so like you could see here a potential pullback, right? Maybe we'll get a push up. Whoa, what the heck? Nope, not about that life. How that happened. Kind of an interesting open, huh? It like how we've had this drive to go higher, and then all of a sudden it shoots down, and now it's going sideways, trying to figure out what the next thing is. This thing looks like it's ready to double bottom and start climbing. Oh, this is weird. The heck? Russell's breaking down further. So yeah, that breakdown there. Entrance would have been here. You're taking that lower. So yeah, once it broke through that one, that's the time to look for that pullback. Push down. For some reason, I've been a little bit resistant to shorting the market. But shorting could end up being the move, right? Because this thing tapped here, tapped there, and then it could just shoot down for the rest of the day. And that could be the signal here for a move down here. Yeah, could be. You always just got to trade what you see. I guess I feel like this move I took at the open, like that little pop was the open move for me, and that this is more of like a kind of reversal kind of move.
Order filled.
What I saw was this starting to bottom out, and then I saw this pullback here, and so I was going to get in on the 1/3 push up here to see if this would break out to the upside. Nope, looks like it's not. Yeah, that's the thing though. We haven't gotten a break to the, we haven't broken any of these. So that was preemptive. So I feel like I'm not in my zone right now. So I think the best thing to do is just to bow out of this trade if I can. Which doesn't look like that's going to happen. Looks like I'm probably going to get this loss unless we get a magic push up. Yeah, I'm not trading on the right side of the market right now. Okay, we're getting a pushback up. We need it to be a little bit stronger than that.
Stop filled.
All right, or yeah, took a lot. Okay. Yeah, that was not a proper setup. We needed more of a break to the upside to give more of a signal, but also this market's been moving down. So that was generally not the wise idea. And also this had broken. It broke here at this level here. So yeah. All right, well, I think I'm going to wrap it up for the day. Yeah, I'm just not in my zone right now, so I'm going to just close it out for the week. Still up from yesterday, and hope you have an epic weekend. And come back at it next week. We got one more week, and then it's Thanksgiving week. All right. Peace out, guys.